I want to shift how you think about YouTube because most people are looking at it completely wrong. They treat it like Instagram or TikTok. You post something, it gets views for a few days, and then it gets buried. That is not how YouTube works. And once you understand the difference, it changes everything about how you approach it. Hi, Taylor here with Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on that bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. YouTube is a search engine. It is the second largest search engine in the world, owned by the largest one, Google. When someone types a question into YouTube, they are looking for an answer. And if your video answers that question, it can show up for that search today, 6 months from now, 3 years from now. That is not how other social platforms work. On Instagram, a post has a lifespan of maybe 24 to 48 hours. On TikTok, you might get a spike and then silence. But a well-optimized YouTube video, that thing keeps working for you long after you hit publish. It sits on the internet like a piece of digital real estate, continuously attracting people who are actively searching for what you do. Think about that from a business perspective. Every video you publish is a new entry point for a potential customer to find you. You are building a library of content that works around the clock without you having to do anything extra. And here's the trust piece. When someone lands on your YouTube channel and sees that you have been consistently showing up, teaching, sharing, and adding value over time, your credibility goes through the roof before they ever even reach out to you. They already feel like they already know you. They already trust you. So the sale becomes so much easier. So if you're on the fence about investing into YouTube, I want you to stop thinking about it as a social media platform and start thinking about it as the most powerful long-form search asset your business can build. Start now, stay consistent, and let it compound. If you already have a YouTube channel, get a complimentary audit to see what you're doing well and what are areas you want to focus on. Visit videoaudit.financialpotion.com or click on the link in the description and the team will follow up with you in about 2 business days. We're here to help you get found and be remembered with customized video marketing solutions.